20 years because there was no way to know what the actual words to the song were. Yeah.
Right. And so this is where we sit. We've got distraction that looks like direction. So what do we do? And how do we partner with our brain? Because our brain is
And what we also know is that what you look for, you see. And what you see, you get. So if I instead look for the loveliness, the 15 people who took the time to text me last night and this morning to say, have a great day, make this a great day, I'm so excited for you today. What if I looked at that, right? None of them are mad. I think they're mad. I think they're mad. But you know what I mean? But they took the time to do that. And so I can look for the beauty in the world.
This is how they're thinking,
Totally.
They're not just being a jerk.
No, totally.
Legit. This is how they think differently. And the fact is, it doesn't take a time. It's not adding anything to your plate. It's actually, once we understand these concepts, it's actually taking things off your plate because things that you worry, stress, or fret about are no longer a concern. And that's what's so cool.